do want to talk about our Whissel Widget of the Week. This is an item that we use that helps us make more money, which I wish. Makes us more fun. Has us make more fun. I am having a stroke. Or make us more money.
I hope you're really not, because I just laughed at it.
I know.
He's gonna
fall
fall
over
over his
on
chair.
camera.
Shit.
Basically, it's the widget, man. We're talking about widgets, okay? I was trying to be slick. Kyle makes it look so easy every time. I don't get it.
People ask me every time, how does he script it out? He doesn't. I don't know.
He just talks, but I guess that comes with experience and doing it day after day. He didn't. Yeah. Do you want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
So my widget this week is definitely geared towards the photographers out there as well. So if you are a real estate agent watching this, Tom's got a really good one coming up. But send this out to your photographer that you have in-house, that you use elsewhere, someone that you know that's a photographer. This is good information for them. So I use this. It's what it is it's a strobe for photography. And what this is this really powerful light that you can use to bring in light in different places. Now, I've used little lights for a long time. I've used big lights before as well, but they have these big battery packs and they're really bulky. The ones I got, I actually got from a recommendation from Chad, who's our other photographer. And these are the Flashpoint Xplor 600s. And these are a strobe. They're about the size of a lunchbox. Mm-hmm. They fit on a light stand, and they have the battery attached to it. They're really compact. They put out a lot of power. These are the strobes that we use when we do headshots. These are the strobes that I use when I shoot weddings, and I want to have the beautiful sunset in the background, but still light people up. And so that way we can see both. They're really good. They're fairly inexpensive. I think I got 2 of them, I want to say for under $1,000. And so I've looked at a lot of different strobes. I've owned a couple of them. These ones I really, really like. They're easy to use, easy to set up, and they give great light. So I think they're the Flashpoint Xplor 600s.
Sure.
The
names on flashes are always so hard to remember.
Yeah.
So mine, I'm doing some traveling this year, and I only speak English, and that's unacceptable.
And apparently not that well in some situations.
And I don't speak that well of English as well. That was grammarly incorrect as well.
Grammatically incorrect.
Grammatically, fucking hey. English was my worst subject.
Oh.
But I kept seeing these ads for this app called Babbel, where you can learn a language. And it's pretty cool. It's a subscription. I believe it's like $12 a month. But you can pick a language. I'm picking Spanish. And you can set how much time you want each day. But it sends you a little reminder like, hey, like it's time to practice. And you sit down. For me, it's like 15 minutes a day. And you like practice. It's kind of weird. Like, it's hard to explain. It's not like you just reading the words, right? It'll read it out to you, pronunciate. It listens to you, and it goes, you kind of fucked that up, like do better. But it's conversational instead of having like just reading it from a textbook. Like you actually get to practice the speech and have it talk back to you. I know there's apps out there. Kyle's mentioned the Google Translate and stuff, but
what was the other well-known program? It was Rosetta Stone.
Rosetta Stone. Yeah, it's kind of like a Rosetta Stone, but on your phone.
Yeah, that's nice.
And like I said, 15 minutes a day, sit down and practice your Spanish, and hopefully I'll be a bilingual speaker by the time I go on my cruise. Can you tell? That's quick. That's a couple months. I know. Can you say something in Spanish? Not well. No es bueno. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Tomás. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Yeah, see. That's my first year Spanish coming up right now. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Thanks for holding with us. And hopefully see you next week with a host that can actually speak, unlike the two of us. Great.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.